Hello Vespa friends from all around the world. In today's video I decided that I will show some tips and tricks how to drive in the cities where there is traffic jams. We all know that driving in the traffic jams can be tricky and sometimes even dangerous. We are the ones who can make the most for our protection, so if you want to find out more how to be safe in the traffic, stay with me and I will show you some good tips and tricks.
In a world of constant evolution, where the line between man and machine begins to blur, a new age of possibility emerges. Where humanity is augmented to achieve what was once thought impossible. Welcome to the age of cybernetics.